Baba?
Blow the bubbles.
Baba.
Doesn't it taste bad?
He's licking his lips. Where's the bubbles?
Mario. That's Mario like this.
Dude.
Mario. Yay. Say, cheese, Uncle Rick.
Hey, the buttons are back.
Is it a good picture? You ready?
Right.
I'm looking at that.
Oh, you're not done? I'm sorry. I thought you were done.
I bet you won't see it on there.
Baba?
Bubble?
I saw a camera. Pretend you're in the forest.
Pretend you're in the forest.
I said pretend
That's
you're.
nasty. How do you do that? No, I don't want it.
Baba?
Okay, Bubble.
Hello.
Can Papa try it?
Okay.
Oh, you're not done? Okay.
Stop. Hey. I took the picture.
Do it. You did that. Look at a few little ones.
Baba.
You'll be blowing them out of your butt before the night's over with.
That's what I was just thinking.
Is he eating up? Oh yeah, he's like putting the whole thing in his...
Don't turn your head whenever I try to take a picture.
He's gonna sneeze or cough and this great big bubble will come out.
Gotta take a picture.
You all done?
We're done.
You know what you gotta do?
Oh, I thought you were
You
done.
gotta go either stretch your hands back or rubber feet,
Well,
right?
she's busy right now.
What?
Your turn.
I got distracted. There's a bubble.
Ooh, look at that.
You did it! You did it!
Good job.
Now, I don't know if it came out of his mouth.
I know.
Come on.
Get out of his nose.
Bob.
Bubble!
Quit. It's gonna be another like 10 turns.
Rick, say hooray.
Alright.